What's up, everybody? Just got a quick tutorial on a little GPS module. So this is the antenna. This is the GPS module. The wiring for this is pretty simple. You've got 5 pins on the back, but we're only going to be using 4. You kind of have to look really closely at the writing in here. But what you want is you want the VCC to be connected to 3.3 volts on the Arduino. Ground is going to be connected to GND. RX is going to be connected to pin 3, and TX from here is going to be connected to pin 4 on the Arduino. So that's your wiring. Once you get that, you're going to share my screen so you can see what I'm looking at. Share. Let's check this out. Arduino. Let's just close out. Let's go to examples. So start from the beginning. Not examples, sketchbook. GPS module. Hey, here's our GPS module code. You should just be able to upload this to your Arduino. This is pretty straightforward. You plug it in, you put the code, you upload. The only thing is now we're going to go over here. All right, success. We're going to go over to our monitor tab, and we're going to read out and see if it's reporting anything. We need to make sure that this is at 9600 baud, which is usually its default. And you can see we're getting numbers, we're getting readings. A lot of these have, I'm going to stop the auto scroll. You can see what's going on here. So this is going to give us our latitude, our longitude, plus a bunch of other data. If I don't know if I can make this any bigger. If I could make this bigger, I would, but there's going to be, just a bunch of stats in here, latitude, longitude, all of that stuff. Distance to London, I guess. But these stars basically mean that it hasn't connected to the satellites. And so if you look at your, let me show you, stop presenting. If you look at this little LED, if this is solid, it means it hasn't connected to the satellites. When this starts blinking, it means it's got a good connection with those satellites. And so I'm indoors right now. So 1, it takes a while for it to find the connection. And 2, it struggles if it's inside. So if I brought this over by the window, it'd probably work. I know, because I actually tested it out, and it works over by the window. So set this up by the window or set it up outside, and you will get good GPS readings. That's pretty much it. Have fun. See where you're at on Google Maps once you get your latitude and longitude. See if it works. All right, later.